RepoMax's March 16, 2011 auction.
This is one of the featured items coming up on the March 16, 2011 RepoMax auction. A 1999 Ford F-350 utility truck. 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel motor. 136,453 miles. It has an auto transmission, AM/FM cassette recorder, rubber floor mat throughout the whole interior, 4-door. Utility box has 3 storage compartments on each side, and this would make a wonderful, useful service truck. It has scattered scratches and paint chips, a few small dings, and there's normal wear and tear on the interior and on the exterior of the vehicle. This vehicle runs and drives. All lights are in working condition. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other auction items, you can please give us a call at 586-725-7999, extension 20 for our sales department. Or you can email us at sales@repomax.biz. Thank you.